What's up, everyone? I'm Kevin with HaloLifts. Today, we're going to talk about our mountain package. It's our most popular kit for non-tremors. If you've been following us for a long time, we've said this kit was going to be perfect for all years, all models of F-150s. That's no longer the case. We have totally redesigned all the products for the tremors. So if you're a tremor owner, this kit is no longer good for you. Now, let's talk about what's included in this kit and what's an option in this kit. So let's start with the front coilovers. Front coilovers here are a 2-inch shock body coilover. It is fully adjustable from 2 to 3 inches of lift. These are fully rebuildable. Also included in this kit is going to be a 2-inch rear shock. When you install these, make sure the logo is facing up and the boot is facing down for the proper performance. Also included in this kit, SPC upper control arms. This upper control arm is for 21 to current F-150. If you have an 04 to 20 F-150, you will not have this red placard. SPC added this red placard for the 21 and current. Also on this arm for 21 to current F-150s, you'll see this little bracket here. This bracket is for your auto leveling headlight sensor. It mounts right to this where the stock one mounts in your truck now. So there's no adjustment, there's no need to move it. You just mount it right to this bracket and you're good to go. Also in the SPC upper control arms are these new designed non-greasable, maintenance-free, still adjustable ball joints. So if you're trying to get bigger wheels, tires, stuff like that, these will accommodate and help get your alignment back in spec easier with the fully adjustment. And now with the new design, they're non-greasable, so it's maintenance free. So you don't even have to worry about it. You set it and you forget about it. Also included in this kit is a spanner wrench. I think we're the only company, or very few companies, that offer and give you the spanner wrench included in your kit. Other companies make you buy these for $20, $30, $50. These come with it. Anytime you order a full kit or even just coilovers, you'll get the spanner and the Allen key to adjust your coilovers. Now let's move over to the options in this kit. The options are the rear blocks. We offer different sizes, still the 2-pin system, fully aluminum rear blocks. You can choose between 2, 2 1/4, 2 1/2, 2 1/2 tapered, and 2 3/4, aka what we call the Raptor block. Also, with that, you'll get new U-bolts. We'll definitely need to know what year truck you have because Ford has changed the U-bolts. If you have an 04 to 20 F-150, you're going to have this U-bolt. It's going to be more of like a square box. And you can look in your truck and see what style you have, but it also goes by years. Like I said, 04 to 20, you have more of this square box. 21 to current F-150s now have this more horseshoe shape. So we definitely need to know what year your truck is so we give you the correct hardware. Also, an option that we get a lot of questions about are the SPC cast and camber kit. What is it? Why do I need it? Okay, Ford did not include much movement on the lower A-arms for the caster and camber to get your alignments back into spec. They just kind of never installed it on the F-150s. So these SPC cast and camber kits is, like I said, an option on our website to help give you more adjustment on the lower A-arms so you can accommodate bigger wheels and tires, obviously the lift that you're doing, so when you take it in for the alignment, they can get it back into alignment spec easier. So it's just cheap insurance to add this kit with your mountain package. Now, if you still have more questions about this kit or any other kits that we offer, please don't hesitate to give us a call. We'll be happy to answer them.